Hello, everyone. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the focus group discussion. Before we start the discussion, uh, here I am Arif Rahman Hakim as moderator. Before we start our discussion, let us know yourself by introducing yourself briefly one by one. So let's introduce yourself.
Okay, first, I'm Fajar Kafi as a participant.
And second, I Akasya Putra as participant.
I am Alfulaila as a participant.
I'm Lutfan as participant.
I'm Rivaldo Seri as participant too.
I am Zulfikar as participant too.
Fikar. So our topic is what should university students do productively in pandemic era? The result will be used for help us to be more productive during pandemic. Before we start the discussion, I will deliver the good line. Okay, the first, no right or wrong answer, only different point of view. Number two, we are tape recording, so one person speaking at time. Number three, you don't need to agree with other, but you must listen respectfully as other share their point of view. Number four, my role as moderator will be guide the discussion. The last, talk to each other. So, what do you think about university student in pandemic era? I'll give you 3 minutes to take a note, to prepare your point of view or your opinion about the topic. So start. And make sure your audio and your audio is good. Prepare your note and everything. 2 minutes. Time's up, guys. Let's start our discussion. First, I really enjoy, or we really enjoy to hear the opinion or point of view from Fajarul Kafi. So, Fajarul Kafi, what's your opinion about the topic?
Okay, the topic is what makes us productive to study online in the pandemic era. I have several opinions, including the first, prepare a stationery before online class meetings will be held, so that during class we can immediately write down important things, and then focus on what is discussed during online class, in the sense of not watching television or playing mobile phones. And then review the lessons the lecturer is given so that we really understand the lesson. And the last one, first read the material to be discussed so that during the online class we understand a little about what the lecturer will explain. Okay, that's all. My opinion. I will return back to moderator. Thank you.
Thank you. That's a good opinion. Anyone who want reply or comment about the point of view from Fajrul Kahfi? Anyone? One give the response from Fajrul Kahfi point of view? Okay, Fajrul Kahfi is a good opinion, but will you give us an example about your opinion?
Okay. For example, when we do online class, then we don't prepare our stationery. It's impossible to memorize everything the lecturer explained. So
Yeah.
we need the stationery to write the lecturer explained. At least what is important. Maybe that's. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you too. That's a good example. So guys, if you wanna respond to other point of view, keep your eyes up, raising your hands up. I will notice and I will let you give your response. So next, we like to hear from Zulfikar. You're raising your hand up. So what's your opinion about the topic?
I have 3 steps how to be more productive when study online. Number 1, read the material that has been distributed first so that you can understand better when you join the Zoom meeting. Number 2, prepare questions related to material that has not been understood and ask the lecturer during the Zoom meeting. And the last, make some questions related to the material and we try to answer them ourselves as lesson material. That's all. Thank you.
So I like to hear from Putra. What your opinion about the topic?
Okay, I have to step how to be more productive when study online. Number 1, make daily reminder for activities during online lectures. And number 2, read the material that has been explained by the lecturer at the Zoom meeting or Google Meet. For example, yeah, for example number 2, such as a summary that must be remembered or the target to be achieved. And number 2, read the material that has been explained by the lecturer. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice point of view. There is a sample too. So next, to give their point of view, I'd like to hear from Rivaldi. What's your point of view from the topic?
Okay, my opinion, I think taking notes when the online class meeting is the productive activity because with notes taking, we can review the material after class. Thank you.
You are welcome. Thank you. That's nice point of view. Anyone who want to respond? The opinion from Rival? Okay. Maybe there is no. We can go next to other point of view or participant from another participant. So I like to hear from Alfu. Alfu, what is your point of view from the topic?
I will tell you about my opinion of productive activity when study online. Number two, due to my spare time, I begin to hone my interest and talent. Second, the material given to the lecture. Okay, thank you.
Nice. There is another other participant who want to respond Alfu point of view? Okay. Alfu, that's a nice point of view, but will you give us an example about the topic?
Yes. Example, I like English lesson, so I have to study more diligently, improve vocab, so that online learning is more effective.
Yes, that's good. Give your motivation up. So next, I think there is seven participant, but this is only 6 participant. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 5. I think there is a 6 participant. Where is Lutfan? Hello, guys. So next, we would like to hear point of view. The next point of view from Lutfan.
Okay, my opinion, prepare the best possible time before starting the Zoom meeting so as not the be late following lecture. Number two, read the material that has been provided at BOC before the lecture. Example, the material.
Thank you, Lutfan, for your point of view. That's nice point of view or opinion. But Lutfan, can you tell us, give us the example of it?
Example, it has a standby time before the set course.
Okay, nice. Thank you, Lutfan.
Okay.
So, yeah, it's still bad audio and signal. But anyway, we no longer having time for continuing this discussion. So thank you for delivering your point of view about engineer strategy in pandemic era. The talk are so mean for us, for all of us. We are already at the end of the discussion. Before I close the discussion, I will present the conclusion of the discussion. From the ongoing discussion, I concluded there are 4 things that can help us students to be productive during pandemic. So the first is develop a schedule and stick to it. So commit to what you want to do and what's your main goal. Stick to it, make strategy from it. Number 2, stay connected to classmates and family. So the information is so priceless in this moment. So keep your connect to classmate and family. Number 3, create a designed workspace that isn't your bed. So make sure you have a good and comfy student workplace. It's good for your mood. It's good to be more creative. Number 4, the last but not least, be proactive. So the internet is full of helpful tips on how to stay productive and motivated. So keep that things to apply to your daily activity. So, okay. That's all for me. Thank you guys. All thank you for your time. Thank you very much for your attention and participant. See you later. Have a nice day. Stay productive, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye bye.